How would you rate the culture in your organization on a scale of 1 to 10? Many workplaces struggle with low morale, high turnover, and a lack of collaboration due to a negative or toxic culture. Poor workplace culture can lead to decreased productivity, increased absenteeism, and difficulty attracting and retaining top talent. Negative environments can also breed stress, burnout, and conflicts among employees, ultimately impacting the organization's success. This course provides a comprehensive guide to building and sustaining a positive workplace culture that fosters employee engagement, collaboration, and overall well-being. You'll learn proven strategies for cultivating trust, open communication, and a shared sense of purpose among your team members. The course also covers techniques for promoting diversity, inclusion, and a growth mindset within your organization. By investing in your organizational culture, you can expect improved employee retention and reduced turnover costs, increased productivity and better teamwork, and a stronger employer brand and ability to attract top talent. Individuals will develop leadership skills for creating a positive work environment, foster better relationships and collaboration with colleagues, and enhance personal and professional growth opportunities. Invest in your organizational culture and reap the rewards of a motivated, engaged, and high-performing team. Enroll in this course today.